Okay guys, so this is my bathroom before. As you can see, the curtains are pretty new, so I'm planning on keeping them. As you can see, I have this empty wall with no storage, and I'm planning on using the vertical space to my advantage. As you can see, this is the only storage that I have in my bathroom. The first step on this makeover is to add storage. I found this over the toilet shelf at Burlington for only $16. As you can see, it was pretty easy to build. Probably took me less than 10 minutes. And these shelves not only add storage, but it also fills that empty wall. Plus I can add decor pieces so I can make the bathroom look super different without spending a lot of money. These are the things that I'm going to be putting on the shelves. I got this little tray from Burlington. This is my lotion that I just remove all the tags so it will match my aesthetic. Then I got all of these frames. This cute one from Burlington also that was on sale for $2.99. A few trays that I'm going to choose which one I want to place and which one matches better. Then I got this little vase from the Dollar Tree, which matches with also the plant that I got, and which was $7.99 at Burlington also. Really nice, it looks very real. And I love it. I love the distressed look of the base. And I love that everything matches with my curtains and the color scheme that I'm going for. I also have this candle that it was given to me as a gift exchange from work. I love it. I've been using it a lot. That's why it looks dirty and like old, but I love that it's also blue so it matches in the bathroom. The last thing that I got was this basket from Family Dollar. So a small money saving tip is to buy cheap containers from the dollar store and use them to store things that you use the most or things that you want to have on display. That way it's organized and it also serves as decor. Another way to save space is to get a big basket like I did and put all of your toilet paper in one place. That way it's accessible and organized. When decorating any type of shelves or surface, it's good to plan out the layout or move things around to see what you like and what works for you. I like to keep things symmetrical, but at the same time give variety and rhythm throughout different shapes and heights, which are basic design concepts that you can use in any aspect of decorating. Something I always love to have is a bathroom, but most of them end up getting super dirty and I just throw them away. But everything changed when I found this machine washable rug at Walmart for only $12. For this project, the first step is to clean really well the surface. Dry really well, and then measure more or less how much paper you will need. Then start by sticking and use a credit card or something to erase the air bubbles. All you're gonna need for this project is contact paper, which I got mine at Walmart for $5 a roll, and an X-Acto knife with scissors and a card. As you can see, the only cabinet that I have is super cluttered and messy. The first steps to organizing is to take everything out and decide what you're going to keep and what to throw away. One of the reasons why this is cluttered is because this cabinet doesn't have shelves. So I found these little shelves that I think are made for an office, but I think they work on the space because it fits and it works like a drawer, so I have easy reach. Another thing that I used to organize were these little baskets from the dollar store, which obviously were $1. As we all know, art can get a little pricey. That's why I decided to make my own by just using a Dollar Tree frame, spray painted it gold, and added some funny quote that I printed at home. To hang it, I used cement tape, which is the best option for people who rent. For the next project, you will need cacti, white rocks, a glue gun, and paint, which you can all get at the dollar store. First, start by painting the base. I decided to do it in white to make it look more modern. Then I decided to make an abstract pattern with spray paint, gold and blue to match the color scheme, but you're free to use any colors. Then all you have to do is add the rocks, and that is it, your project is done.